Everything's coming up baking. I love to bake and cook for my family. Yeah. Family, what y'all think about my cooking? Let everybody know.
My wife gets down in the kitchen. She really be handling her business. Cooking and baking for the family. Cooking and baking for the family. My wife be cooking and baking for the family.
Mama, this tastes so good. Mmm. My mama cooking and baking for the family. Cooking and baking for the family.
Oh, mama, this food is real good. This food smacking. It's fire. My mama cooking and baking for the family. My mama cooking and baking for the family. Oh, it's real good for the family.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It is I, Miss Janita, back again, putting in work. What's going on today? Well, relaxation, movie time, popcorn, pigging out. As you can see, the example here. What in the world's been going on? I'm still doing my scheduled pantry chores, organizing, rotating, decluttering, labeling, all that good stuff, which really needs to be done. Inventory is part of the labeling. Dating, you know, some of these dates on the food can barely see. But now here in California, they passing a law where they're not going to be letting you know when something is expired. You got to figure that out yourself now. Isn't that something? And I seen a video where some folks have, some content creators on YouTube actually dig in garbage cans and get food and other merchandise and stuff that stores throw out because of the expired dates, or they might be having some damage to it. And people, some content creators do go in these garbage cans and get stuff, food too. I couldn't believe it. I don't think I want food out the trash can, especially meat or something that, you know, need to be refrigerated. I ain't doing all that. I ain't doing it at all. I'll just put it that way. But these folks do that. And I seen a video. The reason why I'm mentioning this, because I seen a video where now stores are not going to be throwing the stuff in the trash anymore. They're going to be donating it to food banks and farmers, so they can feed the animals. With the expired, spoiling foods, it's going to go to the farmers, and foods that are not expired but getting there will be going to the food pantry. So I don't know how long it'll be before all the areas start doing this, and then the people that have careers, hobbies at rummaging through garbage condolas, them big old trash cans that do that, they'll be out of a job. And guess they have to go back and get food like everybody else. Buy it or go to the pantry. Unless they see stuff set out. Because back in the day, where I'm from, there used to be, I forgot what they called it, where people would set all the junk you want outside and somebody would come along, the city would come along and pick it up. I don't even think they do that now, because people just come and get all the stuff before the city will get it. I don't think they have that day anymore. I forgot. If y'all know what I'm talking about, say so in the comments. It was a day, once a year, they would have the community, citizens in their communities, throw out all the stuff they didn't want, and the city would pick it up. But I don't think it exists anymore, because nowadays the streets are lined with illegal folks selling this and that and everything else. Can't even get by it and all that stuff going on. So I don't know. I guess they say why when they got folks. I don't know. It's just a mess. It's a mess nowadays. But yeah. Dang, I done lost my train of thought. But oh well. The people that do that, I guess they'll become aware pretty soon, and they'll have to figure it out. Like I said, they'll probably, I don't think people set stuff out anymore. They donate it to the Goodwill. Some people might do it. I'm thinking about doing it myself. I want to sell the stuff. I guess I could do it online and everything. I just gotta get it situated. I don't know why I don't know. It's just another chore. Hold on, putting in the work. It's just something that got to get started, where I got all this Christmas stuff I need to sell. Clothes, this, that, and the other. It'd be nice to do a yard sale, but hell. And with my back and everything, I'm not able to do it, so, okay. Anyway, moving on. How about this weather that folks are having? Their power getting knocked out. Excuse me. And so forth. Power being knocked out. Air conditioning, no air conditioners. Just heat, sweltering heat. Folks are perishing. A lot of folks are perishing, especially over on the European side. What the heck going on? Folks in the South under a heat dome, sweltering weather, droughts. Oh my God. No, especially if you don't have no air conditioning. Oh my goodness. I seen a video about people in Detroit. It's so hot over there. They ain't got no air conditioning. Then they mention about if you can get there, you could go to the senior citizens where they offer you, anybody can come in and cool down, get water and stuff, so forth. So good thing those kind of places still exist. If your house so hot, you get to a cooling center. But some places in the world don't have such a thing, and they are perishing. Boy, something else to marvel at what's going on in this world. They got stories about what happened at the fair with the 250 thing. Didn't work out so well. The weather and the what do you call it? It was like stuff was not secure and allegedly not secure, and was falling and breaking. It's a mess. So hey, it's all about relaxation over here. You see the popcorn and stuff, just movies and popcorn, taking it easy. I'm over here putting in this work, because that's what I gotta do, put in work. Shoot, put in work as I'm on here and share my goings-ons and what's happening. Hope all of y'all is doing well. Thanks for the ones that keep returning back and forth to this channel and checking me out. Giving me a like, which would be nice, because I'm always liking y'all. And I don't know, why should I do it anymore? Because the favor is not being returned. So the less likes I see, as many folks that I go to, I don't think folks is paying attention, but they know what the likes is about. Some folks could be just selfish and don't like on purpose, because they know what a like can do for you, for your channel. And that's selfish. I want them kind of people around me. What the heck? Why would I want somebody on my channel that feel like if I do this, this is gonna happen to you? If your heart like that, I don't need you. Keep yourself and your heart and your thumbs up off my channel, away from my place. I want positivity right here. Even if I'm sharing negativity, I still need positivity, because the negativity stuff is stuff I'm sharing that's not my opinion, it's not my goings on, but what's happening in this world. Like these the weather, the high temperatures, earthquakes, drought, famine, shorts of supplies, all this stuff, war, all this stuff going on. Haven't you heard? If you ain't, say so in the comments. That's it for today, folks. I'll be back another time. Have a great one. Stay safe out there. Bye. Everything's coming up baking. I love to bake and cook for my family.